Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the 16th vlog. My goal today is to get the cameras hooked up at least. I don't know if I can get anything else done, but yeah. Alright, so we're going to try to connect it up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut these cables. And then I want the yellow cable, so we're going to cut the red cable over here. And then the black cable over there to prevent shorting. We're going to put those over there in case I need it in the future. Need a little bit of electrical tape, so we'll just do that. That works. Not elegantly. Okay, that doesn't work. Well, okay, I don't think they're going to touch each other, so I'm not too worried about it. So I think the goal here is to connect these two cables. So we're going to strip the end of this one. Alright. Strip the end of this one. I see this one doesn't want to be stripped. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright, we'll tin these and then solder them together. Oh my, they're actually quite hard to... Come on. Alright, they're together. Time to add a little bit of solder. Come on. My hand is so shaky. There we go. A lot of solder. Might have spent too long on it. Hopefully they're not too hot. Let it cool down for a second. And then we're going to wrap it in electrical tape. Yes. Sounds like a good plan indeed. Here we go. Oh wait, it has to be on the end because otherwise it won't wrap very nicely. Alright. I used quite a bit of electrical tape. Actually, I think this much is good enough. We're gonna cut the rest off. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now we have the flight controller, the NAS 32 flight controller. We have the cable that plugs into the ESC. So I guess we're gonna get this hooked up. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut the ends off here. take some wire strippers. We'll strip off the ends. Probably only need to strip a little bit. I don't think I need the black cable, so I won't touch that for now. We'll remove it later if necessary. Or never remove it, because I am a lazy person and I do not see the need to remove such cable. Interesting. What's happening here? Oh, there we go. Alright. So now I'm gonna turn on my soldering iron and be right back. Alright, so first we're going to pre-tin the flight controller. Just a little bit of solder. I really don't want to put too much. Hopefully those are not making a connection. Should actually test that right now, actually. As you can tell, my multimeter is my favorite tool. We're going to test it real quick here, because I am paranoid. I can't even touch them. Okay, I don't think they're making a connection. I think we're fine. Of course, you never know, but hopefully we're fine. Alright, there we go. So move that to the side while it cools down, and then we'll pre-tin the cables. Alright, there we go. And then now we're going to hook it up to the flight controller. Feels pretty cool now. The orange cable is first. So here's the orange cable. We're going to hook that up to cable number 1. Alright, and then the purple cable. Oh, come on. Alright, purple cable. And then the yellow cable. Oh, come on. How strange. How did this happen? Okay, well, I don't think this connection is acceptable because it could short. There we go. It's a little bit better. And then green. Alright. Alright, so you might remember that with my quadcopter, I had electrical tape right here. And as you can tell, that wasn't good enough because it fell off. And I'm still scared it's going to short, so I'm going to put another piece of tape between there. It's another sketchy piece of tape, so hopefully that will be good enough. I don't know if it will, but hopefully it is. However, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment.